To understand how we manage roles in Aconex, we should first discuss permissions. Permissions control what a user can or cannot do within Aconex as a whole or within a specific project. Most permissions are essentially functions and features. Depending on which permissions are switched on or off will determine what that role can or cannot use. Here are some of the permissions that you'll see. In another video, we'll cover how we assign these to roles, but for now let's explain the basics. You can think of a permission as an ability. This one, for example, determines if a user can or cannot create a transmittal. There are 3 settings for each permission. The first is NA or not available. This is the default value and it means that that feature is not available to this user role. However, that feature can be made available via another role. Next is grant. This, as the name implies, means that the role is able to use this feature or function. And last is deny. This prevents access to the function. If a user is assigned more than one role where a feature is denied on one of them, that permission cannot be overridden by the other roles. Permissions provide a simple way to control what users can or cannot do within Aconex.